Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. God bless you. Today I'm going to be showing you that one plugin that you need as a gospel producer, that one piano plugin that you need to run your production session successfully on a not too powerful PC. You know, sometimes as producers, we get stuck between having high quality VSTs and a low specification PC, a PC with a low specification, let me put it that way. So today I'm going to be showing you a plugin that your system can run even though you are making use of a system with a low specification. If your system cannot run the likes of Synthesizer, Fantasy, Ultimate Piano, I know one plugin that your system can run, and it is the S90 Yamaha S90 plugin, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, Yamaha S90, and you know what? You need a Kontakt library. It's a Kontakt library, and you need a Kontakt sampler on your system to be able to run this plugin. And you can make use of this plugin for live session, for live play, live performance, or for your studio session. And it sounds good and great, and it is lightweight. It is lightweight. It won't eat up your system resources. So I'm going to run you through this amazing plugin. This plugin, as you have it over here, you have your main voice patch, you have your dual voice patch, and you also have your pad. So you can have three sound patches running at the same time on this plugin, as light as it is. Isn't it amazing? Okay. So we have the natural, elegant, brightest, dark. We have a couple of piano patches and EP patches, and then two pad and three pad also. Yeah, three pads and one string. So let's hear what the first voice patch, which is the natural piano, natural S. Like I said, the name is Yamaha S90ES piano. If you know that synth back then, this is the plugin. So it sounds like this. Yes, I don't have my sustain pedal on, so it sounds good, isn't it? So let's say we have a song like okay, it's the key of C. I will enter his gates with thanksgiving in my heart. I will enter his courts with praise. I will say this is the day that the Lord has made. Come on, it sounds good. That's the natural ES. Let's see the elegant ES. I will enter his gates with thanksgiving in my heart. I will enter his court with prayer. I will say this is the day that the Lord has made. Come on, sounds good, isn't it? Let's see the bright S. And the dark S, it sounds dark. Yeah, the intimate S. Then we have the diggy ground that sounds like this. Then we have the power ground. We have the this R&B softs. Right? Which sound great also. Sounds good. And we have a piano. And we have this. So we have this also. TXA802. We have Yamaha's EP. And we have the last one, the Cross Dino. So let's go back to the full ground and see what the first part sounds like. That's with the analog part. Just the full ground. Let's see for the light part. And the beautiful thing about this is that the pad is programmed in a way that it will stay underneath, give you that background feel that you need. But for me, the VP Soft is my favorite pad over here. Come on, feel that. And then we have the string over here. That's the string underneath. And also you can layer two voice patch together. Let's say I have the full ground with a with the R and B, and then I have my VP soft included. Yeah, something like this. So this is an amazing plugin that your system can run effectively, even if your system is 2 GB. It will manage to run it. So far you have enough random access memory, enough room on your system. It will run it fine, and you can use it in church, from your system to your sound card, and then to the FOH. Sounds good, sounds great. If you don't have a really great piano, you can just connect this to your system to your MIDI controller or your keyboard through the USB cable, and then connect to your sound card. And if you don't have an audio interface, you can make use of just connect directly to your PC and then to the FOH, and you have a great piano sound. So go and check it out, and it's going to be a game changer for you if you have a system that is not powerful like my own over here. All right, so I'm going to see you in another video. Bye.